Hello everyone, back again trying to do another update on my Magellan Roadmate 5230T LM, which is lifetime updates, as you can see right here on the screen. This is the box of the video showing the box and the actual GPS. First thing you've got to do is, right now I have the GPS plugged into my laptop. Now as you can tell, watch this. That's pretty loose, but you'll hear audio telling you if it disconnects or reconnects. Once you have this plugged in, do not touch it. You want to make sure this is perfectly making connection, and then that's it. That's probably one place where people may be failing in trying to update their GPS. Okay, that being said, I'm going to try to keep the camera steady here. I'm into the Magellan account here. I'm signed in. Of course, you got to have your name and password. So I'm into this, okay? That's fine, well and good, but the first thing I need to do is, I'll show you, this is where I'm uploading from July 2017 on this here GPS, and that worked fine. This is the upload here. You can see the information, and it was 2017. Okay, and here is the actual video of the GPS, and then what you need to do is you need to go into. Now, I didn't sign into this, but I'm automatically signed in. Let me see. Log out, just for your purposes. This is what you need to go to. www.smart. Let me just say that again. www.smartgpseco.com, and that'll bring you to that page where you can sign in. Of course, you see my email here, password. I click on that. And over here, you see where my mouse is to, is going to show an update, one update. Now here's a phantom alert from the last time that I'm not going to purchase, but I am going to click download. I have the GPS plugged in and ready to roll. Let's hope. Let's see how this works. I mean, I can't remember how I did it the last time, but it was pretty easy. Once I signed into this Smart GPS Eco, it seemed to be okay. So here we go. I'm going to click download and see what happens. This might make this unit a paperweight, but I've been pretty successful the last time, so here we go. I'm going to zoom into this. It says 2018 map upgrade version 7.1.01. 9 minutes left to, oh, it's actually going faster, 6 minutes. So here's the GPS. I'm not touching this cord here, not touching it at all. Just going to let this do its thing. Hopefully the power doesn't go up, but I'm on a laptop and the battery is will sustain it for a while. You know, anything could happen, I suppose. You could lose your internet, or these things are just terrible pieces of bad luck. So as you can see, it is uploading. Now to save time, I'm going to shut off this film now and get back to you. But it is looks like 5 minutes left. So just stand by. Okay, we have less than a minute to go. 1200 megabytes of 13. And as you see, this is still on. Never touch that. Be careful. And yep, the update. It's not there, but it's getting there. Now keep in mind, like I say, I'm just doing this by, you know, just by not by memory, just following simple instructions. I'm on the page. I signed in, of course. You got to have an account, so I'm into that Smart GPS account with my password and username. Signed in, and here it is. My unit was plugged in, so it detected that there was an update for it. And I think we're just about done here. Winding down and see what we got to do next. We're just going to follow the instructions. Okay, looks like it is completed. I'm going to wait for a moment to see if there's anything comes on the computer or the GPS, and so it's not telling me to do anything. So right now at this stage of the game, I'll have to assume that we have the information on the GPS. I'm going to run over here to the account information. That's still the same, of course. Okay, so there's nothing else I can really do here now. Looks like we have update. I'll wait a few more moments, make sure nothing crops up to tell me to proceed or to do something. And looks like it's not going to tell me to do anything. Okay. So I'm going to see now if I have a paperweight or if I have an updated GPS. So what I'm going to do now is turn off my GPS. If it will turn off, I think I'm holding the button here, yeah. It's probably not going to. Oh, good thing I didn't do anything. Look at this. Installing to device. Do not disconnect. So there you go. See, that's the learning curve. I could have unplugged that and did something, and that's probably what people are doing. You see, there was a delay of at least a minute. So you would have thought, okay, great, unplug it, let's go, put it in the car, and all of a sudden you have a dead unit. So now this is the crucial part, people, and I'm glad I did this and to show you. So I'm going to shut this off now and see what happens. I'm going to try to save on a bit of time here. When it's almost full, I'll come back to you. Okay, it looks like this actually takes about maybe 10-15 minutes for this to upload to the GPS. We're looking at the last minute there now. It says 1 minute left. So I decided to turn the camera back on to get you back on the scene to see what's going on. So while we're waiting, less than a minute left, the key thing is to have your unit registered. Make sure you register the unit properly with a username, password, email, mark it down, and that's in Magellan. But then you have to go to Smart GPS Eco, and I think you make the same basic account there. You can use the same information, or it may actually transfer your information to that. I'm not sure. It's been quite some time since I did that, you see. But you make sure that you get into that account once it's registered, and with your unit plugged in, it should automatically detect and tell you about the update. And of course there's a two-step process, as we know now. Download to the laptop or computer, and then upload to the GPS. And now you see it says disconnect your device. Please use your operating system's device ejection feature to safely disconnect your hardware from your computer. So now I will click continue. They're telling me I have to safely disconnect from the computer, and I think that's somewhere down here. I have to release it, but I didn't do that before. So looks like it's done. I'm going to turn to the GPS now. Not unplugging it yet. I'm just going to see if I can power it down now. Okay, no, it's not going to power down. Oh, it did. Okay, great. Now it says, when I did that, it says there are updates available for your GPS Magellan Roadmate, and that's obviously what I just put on there, but I don't know why it's telling me that. So now, like I say, we may have a paperweight, so let's wait and see. I'm going to unplug the Magellan now. Just one moment. Check one thing first. I'll click on this, and nothing's happening. So it's possible that at this stage of the game that maybe the GPS did not update. So here we go, unplugged. Power up. And let's see what we have. Paperweight or GPS. It's getting drunk. There we go. It still says 2013 down here, which always did. Even when I upgraded in 2017, it still said 2013. So that's, well, I guess when the unit was. I guess I can't keep this straight at all. There we go. It's powering up. Well, I mean, at least it's doing something right now. If it goes to where it was before, that's fine. I'll do this process over again. Now, that's the typical warning. We have to click that button there to move into the actual. Okay, it's acquiring a signal, but I'm inside the house, so I don't know if that's going to work. So we'll just bypass that, because I don't think we're going to get many. Well, we are picking up something. We're not going to get much. So let's see. Go in the menu. Intersection, current location. What do I need here? I'm looking for information on the unit. Am I going to find it? No. Let's see. How did I do that before? Tools, of course. Map, sound, navigation, time zone. I think we're down at the bottom. It says product information. Let's see what we have. Let's see if there's an update. Did I tell you it's 47 base map version? Software version is 2.54. Hardware 8289. GPS first fix was in 2013. So I have to refer back on this camera to make sure it did update. If not, I'll be doing it over again, but it looks like it did update and it's working fine. But I can't, yeah, it is different. I'm looking at the screen and there is a difference in the screen from the last time. The pictures are actually, and the font is a little bit different. So, looks like we did update. But I will refer back to the video. And if not, I'll be back again making another one. So thanks for watching, everyone. I hope that was helpful in getting your GPS updated. Have a good day. Just in addition to this video, before I go, as you can see right here, NVM5, and you see September 3rd, where am I to? Here we go. September 3rd, 2018 at 1:34. So that's that looks like the update there. And you see also here NVM, oh, excuse my fingers, 9/3/2018. So there's the updates that are on the Magellan. As you can see, it's in F mode in there now. So it looks like you can see the top here too. I'll zoom out a bit maybe, just to verify. These two things here, NV3 and 1. Where's the dates to? There you go, right at the top. At same time, around 1:35 today. So there it is. Okay, so it's updated. Thanks for watching.